हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रीथा जेनेसिस चैनल। अब हम लोग एक्रेलिक पेंटिंग का सीरीज स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एंड दिस इज़ द सिंपलेस्ट एंड ईजीएस्ट वन टू स्टार्ट विद। टू गेट स्टार्टेड विद वी विल नीड सम leaves. I have collected different type of leaves and actually I went out and searched in my apartment. I got different kind of leaves, especially the one which are like this or something like this. Others, these were the special ones which I liked, and also not only leaves, like a bunch also which I got. I really liked it, so plucked it. I took the one which are very below or something which is not the trees which have plenty of leaves, so I took them. And then I have these acrylic colors over here with which I will be doing the painting, and I'm using a local flash color set. This is an acrylic color set which have multiple green level of green. I have added white and yellow also so that I will get some good gradient. So we have three different type of greens and then yellows and a white to make more colors. I will add red color on the pink color in this list also, so that I can get something like this. So we'll try that also. Hopefully this will be a good collection, and let's see how it goes. So it will be very easy. I won't be using any painting, like doing painting on the paper. So yeah, regarding the paper, I have taken white paper. It's a 300 GSM paper. You can do it on canvas sheet also, canvas board also, and I have colored it with black color, black acrylic color, and I just did one coat of it evenly, so that on top of it I can do the color thing. So let's get started.